Hi, Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate. We've got a stunning 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car home right here in the heart of Clyde North. Just moments away from Bunnings, Clyde North Lifestyle Centre and the Avenue Village Shopping Centre. Sitting on a perfectly sized 363 square metre block with a 14.5 frontage and a 25 metre down each side. It's neat, it's spacious and super functional. Built by J.J. King with a solid steel frame, this one is built to last. It is smart design, modern living and a great vibe all packed into one, right here in beautiful Clyde Vale Estate. Inside, the master suite offers a walk-in robe and private ensuite, while the other bedrooms are generously sized with plush carpet and built-in robes. Timber flooring flows through the main living areas, complemented by downlights installed throughout the home. The kitchen is a real highlight with 900mm stainless steel appliances, stone benchtops and a dishwasher. It's perfect for entertaining or just making life easier day to day. You'll stay comfortable all year long with ducted heating, evaporative cooling and a 6.6 kW solar panel system helping with energy bills. And the steel frame? That means better durability, fire resistance and no termite worries. Every window is finished with high quality Hunter Douglas blinds and there are security cameras throughout for added peace of mind. Step outside and enjoy manicured hedges, lush green lawn both front and back, plus timber decking at the front entry and in the undercover alfresco. It's all low maintenance and ready to enjoy. There's also a remote double garage with internal access and everything is fully fenced. Location-wise, you're within walking distance to local shops, parks and schools like Tullyallen Primary and Berwick Chase. You're also just minutes from Federation University, Chisholm TAFE and major shopping centres like Clyde North Lifestyle Centre and the Avenue Village Shopping. Plus with nearby bus stops, Berwick Station and easy freeway access, getting around couldn't be easier. This is more than just a house. It's a home built to last, designed for comfort and perfectly positioned for lifestyle. Whether you're a first home buyer or an investor expanding your portfolio, this steel frame beauty is ready to welcome you. I'll see you at one of our opens. It's Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate.